bitaro and we had a successful show konka show yo mu weekend twine bikonje byitu byamani Truth na Tipo show turn up tera nuziri
tumararanzire no you see
bakastamza kandi abinja bakizeyo kuranga bakabari ba DJs konka tuwareba ngo ekaforopa hono manza
ekaforopinga
nekintu kibi kuba oine nekintu kibi kushanga ngo umuryabu b'umusasi one Truth like oine show iri neza kwija and bakurangira show yabura chine kwanchi kwerekeza munonga
natanga kwetera foundation ya foropa
tash and rona echa tumeredo show ya foropinga nechi according to me echo kubanza show ekaneza rubari audience ya Truth if we be honest no musinia umukampasa umtezi wa party uptown they are the fans
the uptown people
watu arumu omuhinji worutocho kusibo omurisa wento kusiba na yesherende ukamugambira Truth omuri rubare y'inkwemanyire y'inkuzaru mbwenu kangambira amazima abana ne babari bace echa kabiri Tipo recently nubwaherize kurugayo akaherize no gukora ruho rukunjire oko mbyaro outside Mbara City show yerinka ikatuje show yeribanda omwana nabasa no kuvuga rugika bwohe azibando musho so no basa no kushanga hina abantu abarugire intungamo za rubare bakaza rukunjira kureba Tipo rubu yabari yo recently so wagaruka kato Madrata ndichiku wareba Madrata ndichiku they are not type of the comedians wabantu babanyacharo actually kutwara Madrata rubare nobwo twarayo amode
so is to blame promoter
bintebe bya shows ni ndeba n'abakubane baza organizing they need to prepare themselves they make inquiries nekindi nyowe ngenza ro yantungamo abakuturira n'abariya ariyo omuntu wabadya bamweta best dative something like that so atogumwichi ogumukazi no mweshongozi konka no mutuze wa rubari so binemparana nyingi ezaine n'abatuze bankai barubari hati kandi omunyacharo yarebe kishani kandi akaru hari muhango wakana mangu shone ya best dativa so bibi bindi wona hata kumanana maba aba Truth babija bashendekerizo so main face yo teranozire nabadire kora activations tokuza kora activations
so sacho mayisangu omushow byone ebyo kubana ukora yaban flyer yabana abantu abo bataha poster
abantu bakora nabo selection of artists and entertainers ba marketeers ni change mattering
chinareba mu the selection of artists wasn't fitting the place
they exactly
had choose to 5-6 of years na nyemera abantu abakuchengaje his content na music
ya guys who are deep in music
people who are deep in music hata warubare na rugo mfamu yeye akasentegeka kuihomo omfamu
so omurumba araba kwetegereza music like abari mu line na mukutekateka kugira ngo bari mu leverage yo ko understanding music ya Truth no tekateka ngo bangahe aho njwa kinyerekereza kugira ngo show iri uneje
no I need show
yeah sure is that Truth is assured that campuses untubeta abasinia they can appear abasinia bakampasa and people who understand clubbing best abakwa music yenye
tubuzo Phantom is a DJs nazana music come happening places Phantom nyendo ngambere reaction ya audience category ya ko kweza kupringa icyeshongoro cha
Truth kakuwa gamba audience yeye niyeje yemnyeto na this boda guys kandi abantu abakukira kuzombu bivuru n'abantu ba boda tari umuntu akukira muntu wa boda kuzombu umukivuru
so abantu bagore bakatandika kwa understanding music singa abantu ba
warubari naza kubana hura umusheshe kwa rage nakumanyachi za amazinye nisigera manenda musawu atagwana ibyo tubarakora iki
boda guys na youth Truth
tukwendera anshongeye because of time concept already no data women's day celebrations so omuntu nyona areba artwork women's day celebrations ekikoro ko omuntu omukuru na expecting abeshongozi ba charity ba chazi ba nyamunyonyi actually nyamunyonyi kan pour numbers in village than Truth this already Joan nyamunyonyi
is a very big hit
konga okay abantu baba understanding music ya Truth then how about Tipo abako bona bakabari ya
Tipo na kujanti aba atwire nayo shongora akayarugaru kabare akarujere rukunjiri na narubare nyina ka recently akahirize ko shongorayo nibwahirize ko rashoye y'abantu bakarugaza ntunga mu bija kumuhagera so tibine that thirsty for him right now kandi noreba after his show abatakaruriza ndece shongoro kikubasa kusuka umuntu ndi up to today etinde kinyeneho this tune show ya Omega okwa katano haza Omega right now ine latest trending song yo munyankore kine torangore akarurizinga this open verse challenge within just less than 2 days akaine nkakashanju plus challenges ejesha amakuru agundi kumanya ningo rugambo runyine from trusted sources they are planning kureta kuno press conference
mbarra
na nyinyi nko muntu ni mpurana nchiteka nti Omega ashire kubanza yareta kuno ki press conference
so naza kugereza mirundi ibi
na akora kuno nakuri akwa Omega right now to be honest nomwo ombeshongoza bakora kurunjo mu ihangeri echeshongoro cyahereze kora na B2 kituyira song boost kigansi ya 20 songs top songs
kandi kindi Omega right now in Kampala ogumwaka gwagenda kuko nakubera the best artist from Western Uganda
kandi kanyankore
no yagara kocha naenda na Valentine's let me tell you one thing Valentine's Omega akari muna performing a Guru City I want you to nyende wewe nkoche integrating Omega ka performing a Guru Roija akari kabare municipality ori akari Guru City so tipo tukatumwina hanuyi aha turi munawe so no banzoreba Omega ari munaza she was in Guru ababa bakabere hano mu region yabo
so when was that
Valentine
konkana baro kushanga bari baruguru Omega rukunu arabwira kushanga bari baruguru
ora waza mu
side are very countable tubasa kubare mirunde Omega iziro muri Mbara
kandi she has bookings by the way kuja ngutazi
but not in Mbara
about
bookings za Omega ezifukira munonga baziri Kampala
so tujerengwe cyo nchi ya hold out eyo muntu ari kuja ngo Omega tarayijuze rugogo echo nekibuzo canje na yiwe echo nekibuzo canje
you first talk about her open verse ndebira abantu challenges zibakozire I think umuntu nshitamira mu open verse ya Omega abasa kubara
Maxima and then rapper Kabiyo aba bantu babiri
ari umwana ne bamweta Hilary Don ombanta bakozire ejejo gundi open verse ni wari kubachiza challenges
sure
if you go check on his TikTok at sound yeye abana bajizanire mu munonga kuchereza
noreba verse ya Hilary Don airsoft
nekindi hine wanochura ababatuire ne barebe interest ne batekateka hine okukiri intentional lyrics ziyatiremo so noreba ngo ekintu cyo kirimo
so you want to sing mpaka Omega nateka kujuza rugogo
na kujitera turya tayari gane kubane basyaho
kubatugino mbwishire
kanye wechi ekimberire fane arabeshongoza ba Western Uganda bamwe abakazi tibakakasa Omega our surprise ndi kubareba bari kusitamo mu challenge arabeshongoza Western abakazi you know yourself
numanye ntaro z'abakazi
z'abakazi abantu bagira
kandi
bastamiro mu challenge
konka ekimo kitwine kumanya abakazi no kugira ngo kintu cyakurengano yicirizo hanuka oshitamo muri ki no yiciriza there is when you accept a challenge because
tibine kwiciriza beshongoze bona barya na munonga babiki is that Omega no wari kubebembera right now so they should accept that
takwebembera abakazi bonka oiro haro nabashija bakwebembera
abashija bakwebembera
Omega stands right now twasita maje tukaweyinga katutandekere mu January up to right now she's number 1 artist from Western Uganda
so chimwenza ngo nanabo uzo bitu
bariyo muri
bakora
basigiye muri
from kwikumi na kumwe yo bari bisubire ekishongo kandi yakore cha gospel then reija ile nakora collabos
but wale wana chishongo cha people hat it is inspired by his trip because
Kandi
it's about this
initially
trip to
what
Dubai.
happened?
Na show ye. So literally the song we shall not consider it as a song that is coming to when ukhereza abantu vibe, but it is his personal content.
So those are the things, of course. Truth show ye twaje highlighting out injobu tune amoni tuza kudiscuss kama with him. Tuneho JK is no manya akari producer murungi. What my word very well. Akari.
Hata chi. Meazidi.
What my word very well.
But I think abeshongo abinjiri muraba kwesa JKs. He is still good.
Abeshongo is a very good, is actually talent says to in Western Uganda. Na no mnyonyo, should I call him a pillars? JK is one of them.
Yeah, he is.
No muhandichi murungi, no mutezi murungi wa disco na amanya kwegesa na vocals. Akuba ninye na resere twatandije tukora Irema na JKs. Akamuta a vocal training. So I have a proof on that one.
Exactly.
Okay.
Wabjira producers, my songwriter, kana mweshongo chonka touch gambo. Mweshongo zimurungi.
Kashati ndemo ninkwije. JKs whatever hit songs ezi yakozere before being active in
It's songs.
I'm talking about production side.
JK is mazima taka kuna hit song.
No, ndemo ninga.
JK is nakajere.
Father DJ biased Rosha.
Ningamba ebyeshongore bye tikugira bya producing.
I get you. Nyoti na ninjeza kugamba net. Was on production side. Hit songs ezi yakozere atakabire active mu kweshongora wenkaho zikaziri nyingi kandi na production yeye abantu bakaba buying. So nora kuya consultant nje yatandika kweshongora instrumental yija yabo yakora yaraba kandi right now toka yeta producer kusingo kabanza
JK izo kareka instrument
no banza instrument
Na singa nawe tokutwara instrument okarika Bruno.
Ogonerege ndo
Okarika Bruno wabo.
So JK is her birthday by the way.
Yeah, sure.
Releasing an etchongoro.
Akavuyo. By the way, happy birthday to you, JKs.
Happy birthday JKs Bature. Then ebindi ntuku discussing atwine Amoni konka na
echaritire yari kurumwanya gwe kuja ngo akari wa manage like
JKs no muntu kuganira nawe.
Nuko yagambe ngwakari wa manage. Aro factors maybe.
Konka amazima gugari to checking ari ba producer kandi badi abeshongozi. Noho mwene je shaka Kampala Andrew Ntumanya. Bakutuma ba producer bakabiro ite nawo babiro kamutama.
No.
Akuba no tekwa concentrating akintu kimwe. Abwenchi Bruno na abasako producer the best producer of all time na munonga no mu Western Uganda. No kujangu touch ye yeta kujihindura. That is one. Cha kabiri toramushanga ngu yaza kweshongora.
Sure.
But he's talented, he can sing. So you either concentrate on singing or production.
Okay.
Yo.
Akuba
right, by the way.
Chameleon ni producer. Abwencha tari producer kanda kagaruka nama ya producer.
So it's when nko kutanga kweshongora no mama producers aba bashingwa bakora research kugira ngo at least kume na sound iri trendinga. Kugira ngo nabishongoza abandi batanche kuronda sound ya touch yango kya kigamba beyazini. So it's when nko kutanga kweshongora at research itanga kuchendera about production.
Konka waremeraho ka okitera wakinagambireki. Tugenda kulabira ku for example Dr. Brain, the best writer mu Uganda. Akatandika kale kweshongora. Right now.
Ezeshani wakwasira.
Emyaka kamushanzo enyuma ari kweshongora kintecho. Nuwa in hit maybe.
Konga do you see JKs kubana kwata yesha hayona. Do you see that one time for JKs kuija mazima?
Konka JKs music yeye ti.
One of the things about his music. He says he's a Western artist. Konka waza kurebe beshogoro bye no rujungu. That touch, like we do not feel the Western part of it.
And I think
the Western part of the
music.
Niyonshonga
abwencha taka hit.
Abantu bamendesha barashenge.
Munonga konka audience yitu. It is hard for it kuba consumed.
Na nekiri nchirigira wenka JK is targeting ni chino shanga na targeting aba Nigeria.
Last year kuku.
Yeah.
Wachireba, it is a very nice song. Kokaya na chitangara wasa kujangu no mu Nigeria. I believe in love at the first sight.
No shanga inakora sente online now, no shanga internet inakora sente.
Maybe niyo targeting. Na teka nguhino wacu korire na enda mpuriremo.
Otewa mzee kokakayo
munji. Konkofunero mweshongozi wakati. Anyway, today ntakijiraha na arabamu nikiri kembo ariyo mweshongozo bakweta